Hey guys, it's Teppo here, coming to you from Finland. Today is one freaking cold day with a total of minus 20 degrees Celsius. I'm not going outside, so I'm gonna be inside today. So I decided that we're gonna start a new series called 60-second camera hacks. And it's gonna be all about ways that we can set up our camera in a more smart and effective way to help boost our filmmaking process. So let's get into it. I don't know about you guys, but often when I'm filming, I'm kind of fiddling back and forth between settings and really it's a big pain in the butt. Not only am I wasting a lot of time, but a lot of times I can make careless mistakes like having the wrong shutter speed for the frame rate, and then later on the footage just didn't work out. One day as I was filming, I was thinking, man, there's gotta be a more efficient way for this. You know, a lot of times when I'm filming YouTube videos or travel films, I'm going back and forth a lot between vlogging and filming B-roll. Vlogging means that I'm filming with 24 frames per second with a shutter of 50, and then B-roll is often slow motion, so that's 60 frames or 120 frames per second, and always doubling the shutter, so 120 or 240. And it's a lot of work to go in the settings of your camera to go back and forth between 24 to 60 or to 120, adjust the shutter, and it's just not effective. So one day I was thinking, is there any way just to go back and forth quickly? And then it came to my mind, the custom dial modes on your camera. Usually we're used to just using manual or aperture mode priority, but every camera has custom dial modes and you can make your own custom settings. So what I decided to do with my GH5 and my Canon 6D Mark II was I decided that custom ones can be my vlogging setting. So I set it to 24 frames per second and 50 shutter. And then I went to custom 2 and then I put it to 60 frames per second and then shutter at 120. And then as well, I can do custom 3 and put that to a frame rate of 120 and then shutter 240. This way, when I'm filming, I can simply just crank the dial and just go from vlogging to filming slow motion to filming even more slow motion. See how easy it is? Sometimes such a small little adjustment on our camera can make the whole filmmaking process so much faster. Try this out for yourself. Try setting up a custom 1, 2, and 3 for whatever filmmaking purposes you need. Guys, I know that this week there's a super simple video, but I know this will be helpful for you guys. And if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel below right here. There's a lot of you guys who are still watching the videos, but you haven't clicked that subscribe button, and it's a shame because you won't be updated with my latest videos. I'm gonna be trying to upload every Tuesday and Thursday with new tutorials, new artist profiles, new travel films, whatever I come up with, and I know that's gonna be great content for you guys. So stay tuned, keep up to date with all the latest videos by subscribing to the channel by clicking here. That's right. Guys, have a great day. Go and explore because life's too short.